Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing the DJI Mini 2 SE, Product A, and the TiziToy Brushless Motor Drone, Product B. Buckle up, because this is going to be one hilarious and informative ride. First up, the all-important price tag. DJI Mini 2 SE is $279. Yep, you heard that right. It's like the Gucci of drones. Meanwhile, TiziToy is just $99. That's less than a fancy dinner date. If your wallet could talk, it would probably say, "Hey, let's go with TiziToy and save some bucks for pizza." Now, let's talk cameras. DJI Mini 2 SE boasts some epic imaging capabilities with easy-to-use shooting templates via the DJI Fly app. It's like having a Spielberg in your pocket. On the other hand, TiziToy flaunts a 4K adjustable FPV camera and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like the Instagram influencer of drones, always ready for the perfect shot. But remember, DJI's app isn't on Google Play anymore. So if you're an Android user, prepare for a scavenger hunt on the DJI website. TiziToy, on the other hand, connects straightforwardly to your phone for real-time panoramic views. It's like magic, but without the rabbit. Next, let's see how long these birds can stay in the air. DJI Mini 2 SE claims a whopping 31 minutes of flight time per battery, with a total of 93 minutes if you go for the combo. That's like a Netflix binge session in the sky. Meanwhile, TiziToy offers up to 40 minutes with its 2 batteries. Not too shabby for a drone that costs less than your monthly coffee budget. It's like the marathon runner of budget drones. Wind resistance, because nobody wants their drone to play Gone with the Wind. DJI Mini 2 SE can handle winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. It's like the Rocky Balboa of drones, ready to tackle any breeze. TiziToy counters with brushless motors and optical flow positioning. It's stable, it's got altitude hold, and it's resistant to a fair bit of wind. Think of it as the nimble ninja of the skies. For all you beginners out there, let's talk user-friendliness. DJI Mini 2 SE is beginner-friendly with simplified operations and a return-to-home function. It's like having a drone with a built-in GPS that actually listens to you. TiziToy, however, brings a plethora of features like gesture control, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and even 360 degrees flips. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Plus, it has a detailed tutorial and 24-hour customer service. So if you crash it into a tree, help is just a phone call away. Reviewers highly recommend the DJI Mini 2 SE for its amazing value, impressive camera quality, stability in windy conditions, and solid battery life. It's seen as a great beginner-level option despite lacking some advanced features. On the other hand, the TiziToy Brushless Motor Drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, good camera quality, and extended flight time. However, it suffers from poor customer support and a lack of proper instructions, which could be frustrating for some users. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a high-end, reliable drone with stellar features and don't mind spending a bit more, the DJI Mini 2 SE is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and still want a feature-packed, fun-to-fly drone, TiziToy is the way to go. Whichever you choose, you're in for an aerial adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.